Let's install the Assistant plugin to WordPress and link it up to an Assistant Pro web app account. So we're going to navigate to Plugins and Add New. Now we'll type Assistant into the search field and click on this one down here with the yellow pencil that says by the Beaver Builder team. And now we just need to activate it. Now when we go to the front end of our site, we'll see the welcome dialog from Assistant on the sidebar. And just a little side note, I'm working with a pre-release version of Assistant and Assistant Pro, so your interface might look a little different than mine. Okay, I'm going to use this little slider to navigate over to my Assistant Pro library settings. Another way to get to this window is by clicking here on the library's app icon. And this gives me the opportunity to create an Assistant Pro account, but I already have one, so I'm just going to connect it up. And if I click my little gravatar up here, it's going to take me to my Assistant Pro web app dashboard. All right, we're all done installing the Assistant WordPress plugin and linking it to the Assistant Pro web app.